how to home FANUC Series or IMD. See, that's the controller or IMD. Very fast. Once you switch the main power from behind, this button, ensure you release the button for emergency. If it is on, then this one now, you see, for this controller, it is advanced such a way that it has given you even the words, so that you're able to know which one is auto, which is edit, which is MDI, like that. So for this one, the button is home. Of course, we want to home the machine, click on the home button. For reset is above here. Click home button, and then we have to go to Z positive, so click on the Z positive like this. Then click on X positive and Y positive. Once it finishes, on actual machine you can pick all axes. You see now it's going home. This is how you home the machine. This is how the machine is. So Y axis, Y positive, it is at almost not at zero, which means it has an error. So you need to know how to reset this one. I will not want to show you this. And then it has this positioning. You can now go to jog mode. If you click on the position, it can give you the actual position where the tool is. Now this is the current point. If you click on program, it gives you where you can create a program. Menu select. You can pick the menu or the menu offset. You are doing offset from here. You have offset, you have shift, you have work offset, like that. You can pick all this setting and doing what you call workpiece offset. And then you have diagnostic panel, where also for you to ensure that you are going to change the parameters, you have to go to diagnostic, then ensure that you enable PWE. So you have to put it 1, but there's a key somewhere you need to put P1 to. You see here it's program protected, so you have to put to 0 off, and then you have to use MDI, and then you put here 1, where's 1, and then you put input. Where is your input? It accepts, simply because you need to use the MDI mode. You need to ensure that the write protection is off, so that you activate now the PWE. So once you do that one, you're able now to go to parameters here, because here we are on diagnostic parameters. You go on parameters, you go down to where the parameters you want to change. For example, I said for 1020 is normally for X, Y, and Z. Activating the parameter for X, Y, and Z. You can go to parameter number 1020. This is for FANUC series, FANUC series OMD. I've shown you for FANUC series OIMC and FANUC series OIMF. So these are some of the parameters you can change. Now you see you can change the parameters you want depending on which parameter you want to change. If you go down, maybe for example, you look at these are number called the parameters. So you need to change the parameters that suits the machine. So this is how you can move across in this, and then maneuver and change the parameters. Once you finish, in case you put it, it will give you an alarm. Once you finish, you restart your machine, and then come back to diagnostic. On this diagnostic, change now back to 0, put it back to 0, and then click input, so that you put it off. Then you can now put this one write protection on. From there you're able to proceed, but ensure you're using MDI mode when you're doing this. This is very important.